Ito kapikas.
Guys,
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is part 2 of
opening presents.
okay for Fritzy.
I know yours is still there.
Set.
Wanna open
Fritzy.
this?
Fritzy.
Okay.
Can
You
you
can,
turn
mommy,
it off, please?
mommy, you can open yours together. Thank you, Kaduha. Oh, yan ni Daddy.
To Dwayne. Oh, for you, day, babe.
I'll open mine tomorrow myself.
This is ano from Salvi.
Oh, I'll open it tomorrow myself.
Here is yours. Okay, ready?
Love, mommy, from Fritzy.
Okay, ready?
That
ready?
one, Fritzy from.
Daddy and mommy. Ready, steady, go.
Kita nag-wrap ani.
Me. You teach me. You teach me. That's a good thing you teach me.
What's that?
It's like mini school supplies. Like for my Bible. I did not buy that.
Nawara good oh. Gikumpleto gid niya day.
Another ako, This one is like back to school, little thanks school supplies. Mama,
Huh?
this one is like back to school.
You open.
Open it, open it. My gosh, this is strong.
No, what we used to do is that thing. We just do like that in our hand.
Wait, what?
This is. So, pa imong gipalit. Babe, is the square one like this so I can make a rug made of our clothes. I just gonna cut it and I can make a rug. But you have to get like this, a square or this big or this big.
Make a circle one.
So
Alright.
this is mine.
This is very small.
Okay. and
Thank
I'll-
you, babe!
Okay, do you still have more? Ma?
Fritzy from dad and mom. Those are minis. That's why daddy got that for you. Get it for you. Grabe, uy, daghan mo kay imo. Duha ra man ni ako.
Ano? Sa duha.
Okay.
Hindi, ay.
This is... Where's mommy man? For mommy. No more na for mommy.
Ay,
Oh. Love
From Seth.
mommy from Seth.
Okay, ready?
Another work again.
Oh, it's closed. Oh, it's closed.
Wala man may kanang.
I got my training wheels.
Oh yeah. We don't have exhaust. Na we have installed one but it's not working. Okay, we still have to have. It's a lot of work. Para makaluto ko sa akong dried fish. He got me this, but I still have to cook it outside, right? It's an air vac, removes smoke and odors while you cook. This isn't enough for my dried fish.
I just go.
Yay! You ordered this one?
Right next to the stove.
Wow. Get someone. Open pa more.
Mine? Okay. This is from Daddy and Mommy.
And it says his name. Ah, okay.
Oh my gosh! I need scissors.
Looks like a TV.
So pretty to get to set.
It's me and Seth left, and also Daddy.
This is from Ate May to Lovely.
Oh, yes, another one. You're lucky. I'm having a hard time to open this.
Hala! Hala!
Oh, this is a ball.
Hala ka!
Wait, this is
Unsa
a
man na?
ball.
Ah! Unsa man na siya? Unsa man lugay na te? Magamit man din ako. Puts pa man eh. Ay!
Oh,
Ay! Api ka diha! Unsa ka diha?
Mama,
Sa!
look. Mama, look. We're getting markers.
Ay, kukon ko ano sa puts pa ha?
Come on.
Hey! Thank you very much! Look at this. Oh! Oh, unsa man ang puts pa nga magamit man din ako.
I'm going to open this one.
Look ka! Unsa man ni lugod-lugod ay tani?
Mommy, I thought this one is for Seth.
Ha?
I thought this one is for Seth.
Say na makabuba ka ni karon.
What? This one is for little kids, but I like it
Oh,
though.
kani siya para ni siya pagkuha sa mga lugod.
I like little kids stuff. I like little
Oh,
kids.
naay pang kuskus pud niya. Oh.
Hmm?
Oh.
This is what I got.
Ah, you can change it here.
Mommy, look.
Oh.
Oh, it's a foot scrubber?
Now look.
Yeah.
I want to open
Hey!
Don't tear the box. Don't tear the box.
Nice one. Thank you, Te.
this. I have a lot.
Gamiton.
I have a lot. Which one's mine? Oh, mine. I'm going to open the last one. Is the big one. That's mine.
A lot of work.
Yeah.
A lot of work.
It no.
Mm.
It's not. Oh, it's from. Then I have another one. Huh?
No. Kasi Santa love mo ni Santa ang mga kids. Santa likes the kids, that's why Santa give a lot more for the kids. Ismog diri kadili mo kita.
This was my Christmas gift.
Ismog ba diri?
My Christmas gift is right here.
No, don't.
I'm sitting in my Christmas gift.
Yep. Hala!
Where is it?
Hala, they are so nice!
Oh no, that going to be scared at this. You're going to be. You're going to be scared at this.
Hello, this is nice Percy. Look, oh, dali, dali.
Alright. Okay.
Next one, Selby.
Dali, dali. Para dili ka magtugna butang sa imong dalungkan ba cover sa imong dalungkan.
Okay.
Ano? Oy! Unsa man na? Gwapa man kaayo. Ngana na siya, day.
Scared at this
Ano
one.
siya, day? Ali, day, day. Ali, day. Tuol, day. Tuol, day, tuol. Tuol, day. Ano man na siya, day? Ano? Oy! Oy! Walay tugnaw! Oy! Unsa man na? Yay! Pag-thank you na, tita.
Thank you, Tita Sobe.
Tsada kayo yung kuan, oh! Ay!
Oh yeah, I want to wear that right now.
Mm.
On the winter.
That's Seth, right?
That's it.
The rest should be Seth, right?
Oh, I think this is the one.
Huh?
I think this is the last one. Oh, this is the last one, guys. Help me. This is the last one. Help me.
Okay.
But I'm going to open it here.
Huh?
I'm going to open it here.
Yeah. That's it too?
Then some more. I thought someone was good.
Huh?
Oh no.
Di ba naman sa Christmas wish list?
Yeah,
Hmm.
I made a note on it.
Hmm.
Oh, look at the car. You already got the car.
Yeah. Wait, you're going to help me build with this.
Now you gotta know what we said. Mommy job. Mommy at the dog.
Tomorrow or next day.
I wanna no.
No, Fritzy, give us a break. My gosh. They show us the Barbie how it is gonna be look like after we install it. Show in the front. That's it. That's fine. That's good na.
That's how
Sige.
it's gonna look right
Show it.
there. This one's gonna be tall.
Yeah. It's going to be like this.
Hmm?
It's going to be like here.
I know. That's tall.
You need to put that in your room.
But you're gonna say to Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
And?
And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year too. That's what Santa said.
Okay.
Okay?
I gotta clean up, take a shower.